What's the doings?
Hello, time travelers.
Hello, humans.
This week's episode is, what the frick are these bugs? He says they're stink bugs, but
They're not.
they're not. This is what a stink bug looks like, which I actually found one on the outside of my house. But I used this tiny little vacuum thing, which even though it was this thing's tech thing of the week before, it's this thing's tech thing of the week again, because I sucked up as many as I could.
To end bug colonialism.
And there's the bird. There's a psycho bird right there. Look, that's a psycho bird that's been eating the bugs. But he's not that smart, and he just like pecks his beak into the glass. This is my look of disapproval. Get out of here, plane. You're not in this scene. Or quiet on set. The whole world outside is my set. When we got back from church, saw a bunch of these, like 100 of them in the front of my house. And I ran inside and I grabbed my little car vacuum, sucked them up. They're all over the side of the house. And sometimes they try to fly away and I could catch them, but usually not. But then,
sad.
What was the idea you had?
To drown them.
To drown them? Yep.
Because once just like one kind of flew into when I was washing dishes, it just flew into the water and it eventually just fell into it.
Was that before today?
Yeah, it died.
Yeah, because these things have been getting into my house. And toss! Bug funeral. What are these bugs? Tell me in the comments. My first theory was maybe they're attracted to the black hole that I, for some reason, have in the basement. But then, like, no, that can't be it, because this is the first year I've seen these things, and that black hole's always existed. Even before I lived here, I think. I mean, it's so hard to measure black holes, but then I was like, wait, cryptocurrency mining. So this house is what did you say?
Hot all year.
Yeah, because my mining machines. But since he thought drowning them, I threw a little bit of bleach in a bucket, that blue bucket right there, not to be confused with the dark matter bucket. That's why I have the dark matter bucket specially labeled, so I know not to use that for anything else and not mix household chemicals in there. So I might implode the universe or
insta-kill something.
Or make another black hole that will team up with the other black hole, for all I know.
What?
What?
Black holes don't work like that.
Yeah.
They're just
You see in the news, 2 black holes combine to make a bigger black hole?
Yeah, I know that, but they don't team up.
With our black hole powers combined.
With the power of friendship.
I know that was random, but now it's time for Enjoy This Random Thing. My dad sent me this picture of this old Cadillac, and he says it needs wheel covers. That one's a hearse, right?
Yeah.
He says needs wheel covers, and I said beautiful. Is that a 60 or 61? The front fender looks a little different than your car. Because my dad has a 1960 Cadillac limousine, and it was made at the factory, not the kind they cut in half and stretch. And he does say it's a 60. And while I'm scrolling my phone looking for a good dad joke, oh, there's another 60. And that one's a station wagon. I don't know, it looks like a hearse.
Yeah.
But he said, I was thinking of buying this Cadillac station wagon. Really, for reals? April fooled you. I would rather have the one with glass all around the back.
But it's April 2nd when he sent it.
No, he sent it at April 1 and responded on April 2nd.
Oh.
While I'm looking for a dad joke, you can click the card here to see some time travel shenanigans where I actually got that vacuum and past me came to the future, but because he was trying to go to the past, it's all silly and nonsense. You just have to watch the video at the end of this video to get the funnies.
Just keep the card shelf open.
Let's see what bad dad jokes has. Ford's Theater, awful, would not recommend, 1 star. Because that's where he was assassinated. Like if he could leave a review.
Yeah. You would give 0. You would give -1 star. What?
What? That's not a dad joke. That's a bonus Enjoy This Random Thing. Also on the Bad Dad Jokes Facebook group, someone posted this picture of a cat wearing bunny ears. It says, "For the last time, I don't lay eggs."
I said picket.
I know I said the wrong thing. I guess it's time for awkward end screen then.
All right.
That's right. Quit pecking on my window, you crazy bird. Get out of here! Get out of here! Least it could have done is peck on an actual window that actually has those bugs. What should be the videos that I call out?
Something. Maybe the support group.
Oh, that's a good one. Click over here to see the support group video where there's 6 versions of me going to the no sugar support group in the basement. And click down here if you want to see the whole video of 30 days no sugar, which the support group video comes from. And click over here to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see my soundtrack channel, or it's actually all my music stuff, it's over here. Okay, bye.